Beginner's Driving School, and today we want to speak about the right and proper way to use the pedestrian crossing. What we need to ensure is that the traffic doesn't have the green light. No, when they have the red light, it doesn't mean that I just step across. I need to ensure that all the vehicles have come to a stop, to a halt, and I try to make eye contact to ensure that they are aware that I am crossing. We don't want to run across the pedestrian crossing, because if we fall, we might not be able to get up when the traffic resumes to proceed across the intersection. So we take our time. I like to still be active with my eyes to ensure that I'm aware of what is happening, scan the intersection, look at the drivers to ensure that they're aware that I am crossing, take my own sweet time, but not too slow, and get out of the roadway. And we're good, and we get to go to our destination safely on foot.